Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to tell you the story of the bundle of sticks. Stay tuned till the end to learn a very important lesson from this story. Once upon a time in a small village, there lived an old farmer with 3 sons. The sons often quarreled with each other over small things. Sometimes they fought over who would get to sit in the tractor, while the others walked behind it. Sometimes they argued about who would get more food at meal times. Sometimes they even had fights over their favorite cow Daisy. The poor farmer felt very sad seeing his sons fight all the time. He was worried that if they couldn't live together peacefully, he would have to divide his property among them while he was still alive. One day he called his sons and said, "My sons, why do you fight all the time? Don't you know that fighting will only make us weak?" But the sons didn't listen. They continued to argue every day. One day the farmer thought of a way to teach them a lesson. So he went into the fields, picked up some sticks of equal size and length, and called his sons. Then he handed over one stick to each of them and said, "Break this stick." Each of them easily broke the stick into 2. They laughed at their father. "Look how weak the stick is," they said. But the farmer smiled. "Good, now watch this." He took some more sticks and tied them together to form a bundle and gave it to his eldest son. "Now try to break this bundle." The eldest son took the bundle and tried to break it. He pulled it, twisted it, and even bit it, but he could not break the bundle. Then he called his brother and asked him to help. Both of them pulled the bundle together, but it didn't break. Finally, they called their youngest brother, and all 3 of them pulled the bundle together, but it did not break. Then the farmer asked his sons, "Do you know why you are not able to break the bundle?" Thinking for a moment, the eldest son said, "Well, father, we were able to break the individual sticks easily, but we can't break the bundle because the sticks are tied together." The farmer said, "That's right. My dear sons, just like these sticks, if you stay divided, anyone can break you easily. But if you stay united, no one can harm you." The sons understood their mistake. They hugged each other and promised never to fight again. Friends, this is the story of the bundle of sticks. It teaches us an important lesson, that is, unity is strength. We should always stay united and work together to achieve our goals. Quarreling and fighting will only make us weak. If we want to be strong and successful, we must learn to live in harmony with others. Now, let's do a little exercise. Can you tell me what lesson do we learn from the story of the bundle of sticks? That's right, unity is strength. So friends, if you want to become strong and successful in life, always remember the story of the bundle of sticks and apply its lesson in your life. I hope you liked this story. If you really did, show it by hitting the like button and sharing this video with your friends. Also, do we and forget to subscribe to our channel so that you can watch similar stories and also stand a chance to win exciting prizes. This is our channel. We will see you tomorrow with another wonderful moral story. Bye!